Hi, I'm Julia and I will be teaching exponent rules. So we're going to start with a pretty basic problem and it will get harder as we go. But the first one is to simplify and express as a power of 2, 2 root 7 times 2 root 6. So for this, we need to see what we're going to do with this. Are we going to multiply or are we going to add them? In this situation, we are going to add them. So we're going to get 2 to the 13th power. Okay, for our second problem, we have 2 to the 4th power, in parentheses, to the 3rd. So, in this, we come across the decision again to either multiply or add this number and this number. In this situation, unlike the first, you would end up multiplying them. So, this would equal 2 to the 12th power. So for this, we have 2 to the 13th over 2 to the 5th. As you can see, the numerator is higher than the denominator. So, we can subtract it and get 2 to the 8th. And last but not least, we have a problem that implements all the things that we've learned so far. It's 2 to the 3rd power times 2 to the 7th over 2 to the 2nd cubed. So we need to go back to when we learned that, like a long time ago, all of us have learned that we always go and solve what's in the parentheses before we solve anything outside of it. So we are going to now go back to problem 3, when we learned that we would subtract this out. So we get 2 to the 5th power cubed. And now we're going to go back to problem 2, when we learned about these and how we multiply them in this situation. So we get 2 to the 15th power times 2 to the 3rd. And lastly, we have 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the 15th, which goes back to our first problem, when we learned when we would add these two. Therefore, we get 2 to 18th power. Thank you.